Hi, and welcome to GlobalMerchantFunding.com. Today is December 4th, 2008, 12:55 p.m. East Coast time. As we speak, currently, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is down. Oops. I'm the kind of guy you want to work with, huh? Dow Jones Industrial Average is currently down 60 points. NASDAQ currently down 13.5 points.
Craig, you asking me to put my first name and email address in? Why should I do that?
Why should you put your first name and email address in the slots below? Very simple. Because here at GlobalMerchantFunding.com, we can offer you things that you nor anybody else can do on their own.
Yeah, Craig, everyone says that. What makes you different?
What makes us different? Very simple. We have a track record, we have a history, we have testimonials from satisfied clients with deals that have closed as recently as yesterday, in which we've been able to secure working capital for small and medium-sized businesses. We've been able to secure financing, lines of credit, business loans, hard money loans, residential mortgages, commercial mortgages. We can go as high as the sky. There is no limit.
Craig.
Yes,
Before
I'm sorry.
Continue. You're selling like a book about how to learn about this stuff?
No, actually, I'm not selling
Was it a system?
a system. I'm not selling a book. I am selling you my services. This is what I do. This is what I've done for a very long time. I am in the business of securing financing for those that are in need of financing. Whether you're looking for a residential mortgage at the best possible rate, whether you're looking to borrow money from a bank for your business, whether you're looking to secure...
Alright, you got my attention, Craig. I own a business. I'm struggling. I have a restaurant. What do I do? I want to buy more products so I could have a bigger menu.
Very simple. We have a program that's called the Merchant Cash Advance. It's a very simple program. What we do, we will take your 6-month historic average of your Visa and MasterCard sales. Get an average of those sales. Assume you do $50,000 a month in Visa and MasterCard sales.
How'd you know?
I'm actually a little bit of a soothsayer as well. However, getting back on point, assume you do $50,000 a month in sales in Visa and MasterCard, another $20,000 in Amex and Discover sales, and another $30,000.
Match that number or something? I mean, that's what banks do.
Let me finish. You do another $30,000 in cash and checks. So your annual gross sales are about $1.2 million or $100,000 a month, of which $50,000 are Visa and MasterCard sales.
Yeah, go on.
What we will do is we will secure working capital for you in as little as 7 business days, up to as much as twice your monthly Visa and MasterCard average. And we will give you that lump sum of money up front today.
Wow.
Wow is correct. You haven't even heard the best.
So I get a check for $100,000.
If you qualify for it, that is correct. You may qualify for less than $100,000. It may be $70,000. It may be $50,000. It may be $30,000. There are a lot of factors that go into determining what you qualify for. However, keep in mind, personal credit score does not play as much of a role in a merchant cash advance as it does when applying for a standard residential mortgage.
So this thing is non-collateralized?
How did you know that? I never even mentioned it.
You said my personal identity is not attached to it.
No, I said
Based on it.
I said your personal credit
You're right, Craig.
does not play as much of a role in this transaction as it does in a residential
So what do I
mortgage
got to submit to you?
transaction.
What do I got to give you to...
So, again, if you'll let me finish, not only am I willing to offer you a lump sum of money up front today based on your historic sales, I'm crossing my fingers and hoping, A, you maintain that average so you're able to pay me back that money through your future sales, B, you're not signing personally for this money. There is zero recourse against you should you go out of business legitimately. Emphasis on legitimately. Any misrepresentation or fraud on your part will require that you pay the money back, and we will come after you personally. However, in addition to that, there is not a fixed monthly payment. There is not a fixed rate of interest. We only take a small percentage of your Visa and MasterCard sales on a per sale, per day, per month basis until you fulfill your obligation back to us, the funding company. Now keep in mind, this is only one of the products that we offer. I could spend the next 3 hours listing the litany of products that we have the capability of offering to our clients, or should I say our members, which can range, as I had said, anywhere from a merchant cash advance for as little as $10,000 to land acquisition, and land acquisition and development projects that go as high as between 500 million and $1 billion. No, I'm sorry. You were saying?
It says the application is on the next page, so if I put my first name and email, I'll be able to submit an application?
Actually, when you put your first name and your email, it's going to take you to the next page. On the next page, the very first thing you're going to see is another video such as this one. That video will explain to you all the benefits of becoming a member of this program, as well as all of the different product offerings that we have that I had just mentioned previously.
And the one you're talking about is called a merchant cash advance?
That is correct. What we are currently discussing is called a merchant cash advance. Basically, in a nutshell, it is a very simple transaction. It's a purchase and sales transaction. I, as the funding company, am purchasing a portion of your future sales at a discount and offering you a lump sum of money today. That's simple.
What if I also own a catering hall, multiple catering halls, and we also have credit cards? Could you help us out too? Could we submit multiple applications?
Without a question. The more the merrier. We have the ability, we have resources behind our company that literally are just about unlimited. Whatever you may hear on the radio, television, read in the newspaper, credit crunch, capital markets being basically shut down, etc., that is not the case. It is just that the majority of the people do not know how to go about securing the financing that they're looking for.
Alright, well, you seem like my guy. I'm going to put the first name and email address in, and we'll talk on the next page.
Look forward to seeing you then.
Thanks, Craig.